Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video we are going to be talking about this lovely Felicie Pochette. I have mine in the monogram Empriente leather and this is in the color Rose Poudre. I also have this item in the Game On collection with the black color, and this item is actually in canvas. Alright, but today we're going to be talking about this beauty right here. I picked this up in February when Louis Vuitton was announcing their price increase. And so I knew I wanted to get my hands on this, so I went on ahead and bought this, and I'm glad that I did. This is definitely, of course, worth the price when I purchased it. But as I've shared before in a previous video, I still think that this is worth the price even with the price increase, because you do get a lot of bang for your buck. Here are my inserts that go with this item here. I do not use these inserts in the particular bag because I feel like the interior of this bag is just way too small to use these inserts. I'll go ahead and open that up. As you can see, it's not a lot of room in there to put a lot of items. So you really have to kind of play Tetris with this bag and really be careful of the items that you put in here. But I wanted to give you an up close and personal look of this cutie. It has the brown glaze around it, and it also has that glaze around this perimeter envelope side. It's very thin, but it does have that. And of course this is sewn down, as you can see on the inside. This tab is sewn down to the Empriente leather. The inside is canvas, or like a fabric material. Now I know a lot of people had said that they wish that the inside was leather. I'm not sure why Louis Vuitton did not make the inside leather. Maybe it was a factor of keeping this piece light in feeling, because it is a very light bag even when you add your items to it. So your items that you put in here will ultimately give this bag the weight, if it has any weight to it, okay? So here is the side of this bag. Very slim profile. And here is the back with that beautiful debossing, which I just absolutely love. I love the texture of this bag. I love feeling this bag. It has a pebbled type of texture to it, and you can feel this texture even when you're touching it. Very beautiful. The stitching on mine is done superb. I did check this stitching when I bought the bag. There's the bottom. I know a lot of people have complained about their stitching or the quality of their bag, and I got a really good bag. Even the gold button is in very good condition. I didn't have any scratches on my button, and this little piece here is also in good condition. Hardware is a really gold type of hardware. So I really think that the gold hardware accentuates this bag a lot. But I also think they could have done this in silver and it would have looked great. And actually the Epi leather version of this is in silver. So I think either material for the hardware would have done really good. And I'm going to show you something later in this video that I ironically kind of purchased this bag twice. So I'll come to that later on, but so here's this. Here are the two inserts. Let's talk about this zip one first. I absolutely love this. I think honestly, if I had to list all the pieces, this by far is the one that gives you the bang for your buck, you guys. So it has this zip feature. That's not leather lined. It's like a plastic PVC coating type of line. It's not leather, but it's still cute. It's a wipeable material, so I like that. Very nice size. You can put cards in this. You can put your money in here, and I'll go ahead and show you. I have a few dollars here. So let's say you're going to the club, you need some parking or something. You take your money, put your money inside there. And it just fits so nicely, so perfect, snug. Just, it's a perfect fit, okay? You can zip that up. And this just gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Now, as I've shown before in previous videos, because of this little tag here, you can attach a charm to this. So you can kind of make it like a little wristlet. You can do a lot of things with this piece right here. I don't have anything with me where I can grab, but if I can reach one, I'll definitely show you. But definitely take that into consideration that this has a lot of uses for it. Now, you have the other piece here. Just the card slot. What I like about this is that you have your space here to also put cash, receipts, whatever it is you want to put in there. And then you have 8 credit card slots right here. And this one seems a bit stuck. I don't really carry that many cards when I go out. I usually have about 4. But you have 8. Alright. This material of this, of course, is the Empriente leather. It doesn't have the debossing on it, but it feels so nice, you guys. It is so soft and so supple and pliable. I just absolutely love how this feels in my hand. And I definitely could see myself using this in my Neo No Way, because my Neo No Way actually has this same interior color. It is also in Rose Poudre. So there you have that. Have some cash in there. You have these 2 inserts that come with the bag. And again, this is why these pieces, you get your bang for your buck, because you get these 2 pieces. So you'll hear a lot of people say that in their video with these 2 pieces here. Alright. So let's get to this bag. Of course, this bag comes with the gold chain strap. I keep mine in this bag. I'm not going to show you this strap because you have already seen it with that strap. I actually have this pearl strap that I bought. And I love wearing pearls. I love wearing pink and pearls together. So I'm going to clip this onto here to show you what that would look like with a nice little dainty pearl strap. And what I love about this pearl strap is that it has this like graduated pearl feature on it. You can see that where the pearls are larger here, and then it gets down to a smaller regular size. And I say regular, I mean like a necklace size. And I'll show you, I have a necklace right here that I wear all the time. And then here's the back strap. So you can see how it's not far off. Alright. There she is with that. Let me close this. I find that this is hard to close when there's nothing in here. So right now, let me close it because I want to show you. And then we'll do like a what's in my bag. Alright, so here she is with that strap. And she's gorgeous. I love it with this pearl crossbody strap. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody bag. Absolutely beautiful, okay? Alright, now you guys. So I also have a couple of other straps here. I've shown this braided strap that I purchased. I purchased this to go with my Neo No Way. But if I want to do like a handheld, a hand carry situation where I don't want to wear this against my body, and I would probably end up doing that in a case where I'm wearing something dark. This is not, well, I wouldn't carry this as a shoulder bag in this case, but I think carrying this like this with this top handle effect will allow me to wear this with dark clothes and keep me from rubbing the items up against my body. And that's the trick to preventing color transfer, is because most likely you have these items close up against your body, especially when you're wearing something dark. If you change out the handle, then you prevent that from happening. But this is how this handle looks on here. And that is just stunning. It matches this brown trimming on the bag so nicely, you guys. Look at that. Just look at that. I love a top handle situation. It's so girly. You can wear it in the crook of your arm. Just, it's so girly. Alright, you guys. So, in keeping with showing you my last strap that I have with this bag, this is the strap that goes to my Neo No Way. It is a crossbody strap. I love this strap. Wanted to show you a longer crossbody option that was not the gold chain, because sometimes you want to be a little bit more casual and not have a gold chain. Now with this option, you can wear it as a shoulder bag because this strap is a lot longer to wear this as a shoulder bag. So if I was wearing like a white shirt or even something that was in this same shade of pink where I wouldn't get color transfer or wouldn't worry about it as much, this would be a really great option. Or if I was wearing like a white dress, I could crossbody this on my dress and it would just look absolutely stunning. This complements this bag so perfectly, so I'm glad that I am able to use my straps on my other bags on this one here and actually complement what I'm going to be wearing for my outfit, okay? Alright, you guys, so the first item that I'm going to show you in this Felicie Pochette is my recto card holder, and this is in the damier Abing pattern with the rose ballerine. And I find that this item is already kind of bulky as it is. I am going to place my key on the key holder here and then show you how this looks in the bag. It does fit, but what I found was that once I added my keys, and if you add other items to this card holder, it will get a little bit bulkier than what it is now, and it will distort this bag. But as you can see, it fits pretty comfortably by itself, so you can't put too many items in there. So I'm going to add the rest of my items that I would normally carry in here and show you how those fit all together. Alright, so there is a shot of how that looks in there. And I'm going to add my phone because normally we would have our phones on us. But if you wanted to put your phone in there, that's how it would look. And so I'm going to go ahead and close this item. And I'm going to show you at the end how bulky this kind of looked. And you can see that edging right there, how that's kind of protruding out. And so it was a little bit bulkier than what I would normally like to carry. You want to be careful when you make this item too bulky. And it did feel heavy when I added all those items to it. So that's what I was showing when I was shaking it. It added some weight to the bag. And it did have some bulk right there on the top where I'm rubbing. So I wouldn't suggest you adding too many items to stretch out your Empriente leather. You want to keep that nice and pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to use this clay pouch here and I'm going to add my key to this. This has a slimmer profile than the Recto Verso, so of course this should fit a lot more comfortably, but be advised you will probably only be able to carry your keys in here. I still wouldn't make this too bulky, but there is a shot of that. Okay, so I have this purple color one. So I've taken out my keys, but I have that card holder, that card holder in there, and again, that's a slimmer profile. I have my key here, and just stick my key inside there, like my lip gloss and everything else. Just stick that in there. So carrying just my key fob is actually a better idea, and then having just a simple card holder like this, any brand, is a better fit for this little purse. So I have my key, I have my lip gloss, my perfume, my chapstick, my card holder, which would have like my cash in it and different things like that, so you can see. Alright, you guys, there you have it. This is my review of the Felicie Pochette. If you have any questions about anything in this video, definitely comment and leave it so I can see it, and I will try to get back to you as early as I can. As always, you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.